Hello, Crawl. Get it. We're watching March Madness, and Ellie has scooted all around this room trying to get that basketball. Hey, get it. She just turned 8 months. About to start crawling. Hey, I'm not videotaping you sucking on the basketball. Let's go chase it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is, back there. Elliot, honey girl is right here. Look, right there. Look over here. Over there. What? Well, this is not what I wanted to videotape. Look. Losing your socks and everything, girl.